In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take screenshots on Steam. By the end, you'll confidently capture an in-game screenshot using Steam's default shortcut, and you'll know that Steam saves it for you automatically. First, launch any game. On your screen, open Steam and go to your library. Click the game you want to capture, then click play. Wait for the game to load completely. If you see a launcher window, click the play or start button there as well. Once the game window is open, make sure it's in focus by clicking anywhere inside it. Full screen or windowed mode both work, so use whatever you prefer. Let the gameplay, menu, or scene you want to capture appear on screen so your screenshot shows exactly what you need. If you're moving through menus or a loading screen, pause for a moment until the right frame is visible. Next, you have to press F12, which is the default Steam screenshot key. With the game active on your screen, press the F12 key once on your keyboard. That single press tells Steam to take an in-game screenshot. You don't need to hold it down. This action is safe and won't interrupt your session. Your game will keep running as normal. Keep your hands steady so the frame you want stays in place while you press the key. If your keyboard has an FN key and F12 is combined with another function, press the key the way you normally access F12 on your device. Right after you press F12, watch for a small on-screen notification from Steam, usually in a corner of the screen. That message confirms that the screenshot was captured. If you're in a very busy scene, give it a moment. The notification appears briefly and then fades. Now, your screenshot is saved automatically. There's nothing else you need to click for it to be stored. Steam handles the saving in the background as soon as you press F12. You can keep playing and take more screenshots at any time by pressing F12 again whenever you want to capture another moment. Each press creates a new image, and Steam adds it to your screenshots for that game. You don't have to pause or stop your gameplay to make this work. If you're lining up multiple shots, press F12 at each moment you want to capture and continue playing without leaving the game. At this point, you've done everything required to take a screenshot on Steam. You launched a game, press the default F12 shortcut to capture the screen, and Steam saved the screenshot automatically. If you need a specific frame, then repeat the same process, open the scene you want, press F12 once, and continue playing. The workflow is quick and consistent, so you can capture exactly what you need without breaking your focus. That's it. You've successfully taken a Steam screenshot using the default F12 key, and it's been saved automatically while your game continues to run. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.